it's Cammy with the C. If you didn't see, now you see. If you're new here, where the hell have you been? Like, we've been waiting for you to show up for how long? Okay then. If you couldn't already tell by the title, we're gonna be trying on a headband wig today, and a curly one at that. I've literally been seeing them all over like YouTube and on Instagram and everywhere, and for years I've been wanting to try it, and today is the day that we're gonna do it. Before I show you the wig, I do want to kind of get into the packaging situation, because this did come from Amazon and the packaging was very disappointing to me. Because I've been seeing on Amazon, like a lot of Amazon wigs that people get, at least the reviews that I've been looking at on YouTube, have all been coming in like, I guess the company's special box or whatever. I mean, some of them, you know, came in a bag, but it was still like the company branded bag. This is what it came in. This is what it came in. And then inside the bubble mailer, mind you, yeah, so there was that. It actually did come with a mesh cap too. I don't know if anybody's ever seen one of these before, but it came with a mesh cap. But I personally didn't really like it. I did use the cap, as you can see, but I didn't like it because it literally left like a large ass line across my forehead. So yeah, before I get into what the actual wig looks like, I probably said that twice now, I will go ahead and insert like a clip of what the hair looked like straight out the box, because full disclosure, I've had this hair for a week, because I actually wanted to see, you know, was it gonna last? And yes, it is synthetic, but I still wanted to see if it was gonna last for a week, because I mean, I've been seeing reviews where there's some good synthetic wigs. So yeah, so I will be inserting a few clips, and I do have a few pictures too of what the hair looked like throughout the week with me wearing it, because I'm not even gonna lie, I was feeling myself. First impressions though, I will say I was highly nervous. I was very nervous, because I was like, I don't know if I want to do this. The hair was really soft. It was really curly and bouncy. Let me go ahead and get the wig done. I had to scoot back some because this is big hair, but this is what we're looking like exactly 1 week later with this hair. Now some people might have like different opinions on it, but I feel like after a week with this, with the way it looks, it does have a natural, you know what, anyways. This is what the hair is looking like after 1 week of having it. This is the headband that's on it. I will say it is big head friendly too. It is, because this has a lot of stretch, and on my head there's still like a whole lot of headband left. So yeah, it does have an adjustable strap inside, and it does have, if I can show you, one comb in the back, one comb on each side. So here's one of them on this side, the other one's right here. There you go. And then there's one clip, not exactly like at the direct front of the wig, because that's right here, but it has one at like the crown of the wig, so that way it'll help stay on your head, I guess. And then this is the Velcro for the headband for itself. Like I said, it does have this wide Velcro strip. Let me try to get closer. A wide Velcro strip, so it does seem to be big head friendly, let me tell you. And it's really easy too. You just slip it on, and then boom, you're done. I leave the adjustable straps attached on here because it makes it a lot easier to put it on. Oh my god, I can't fucking talk whenever I start filming. I left the adjustable straps attached because it will be a lot easier for me to put it on without having to look for the straps after the wig's already on my head. There we go. Alright, now, let's see. Now, the way that I'm putting it on isn't the way that I've been putting it on all week, but it's something new that I wanted to try. Crazy, hold on. Hold on. Yo, I'm like trying to fix it on camera because they're so fucking large, like the hair is so big. This is after washing it and deep conditioning it as well because I was like, what do I want to say? I wore it for a week and like I said, I wanted to see if the hair was gonna last, so I tried to do some maintenance on it and see if I could actually, you know, keep this hair, you know, keep it for a week, like I'm trying to, well, not for a week, but keep it for a long period of time and try to like take care of it or whatever. Oh my gosh, I am struggling. Like it doesn't, the thing that doesn't make sense to me right now is the amount of fucking struggle I'm having to do this, trying to do this right now because I didn't have this much time and this much trial and tribulation and shit when I wasn't filming. Like when I wasn't filming this, trying to film this shit, and I was just taking pictures and trying to see if I liked the wig and have all this shit happening. Okay, I think this is the best that we're gonna get. I'm gonna try not to edit out so much either because I think this video is gonna be short. But yes. Took us forever, but this is how we're looking with this wig today. I don't like what that front part is doing right now. It's because it's fucking ringlet. It's still just I think I got it now. Okay. So this is what the wig is looking like. Let me try to give you a 360. I don't know how it's looking in the back. It probably looks crazy as fuck, but it's alright. And it's big. Like this hair is big. Like if you had a bun, if you had like really long hair and you had to put it in a low bun because you didn't want to braid it, doesn't matter, this shit's gonna cover your hair. Like I can't even see my fucking ears or anything. I really like it though. It does have like a really, I know it looks matted and it kind of looks crazy, but I feel like this is like a very, like, I don't know, natural looking pattern. Like the way that it's sitting, it does look very, very natural. And that's the same thing goes for the pictures that the insert, you know, later on when I edit this, the pictures that I insert, it will show the same. Like it did look pretty natural. It's just it didn't look this big and this, like, it didn't look this big and the curls weren't like this whenever I was first wearing it, before I washed it and conditioned it and everything. So yeah, that's it with this wig. Now, let me put my glasses back on because my dumb ass can't see. Now, a couple things I do want to get into. It didn't smell. That was one thing. The hair didn't smell. It actually smelled really good. Like, it wasn't like a bad smell. Let's see. We already talked about the curl pattern, the way it was. It was actually bouncy too. And like, I don't know if I already said it, but the curls were really soft when they came out of the package. Now the only problem that I did have is since I did not, how do I want to put this? So some people like to wear their wig straight out the box, and that's totally fine, but I just don't like the way that it looks straight out the box on me. So I went ahead and tried to style it. When I did that, it was like hell broke loose. So full disclaimer, I've never had a curly synthetic wig before. This is my first one. This is the first one I've ever had. And this was the amount of shedding that came from it after I tried to style it. Just put some mousse and water, that was it, and this is what fucking happened. Now straight out the box, without trying to style it, there was like minimal shedding. Like very minimal, like maybe 1 or 2 strands just from running my fingers through it, and that was it. But when I tried to style it and put mousse and the water, it just didn't want to do it. It didn't want to. It tangled up and it gave me hell. And I think I probably tried to style it for like 2 hours, and it just, with me combing it and all that, it didn't. Well, I didn't comb it. I fingered the tangle, and I used 3 different brushes. 3 different brushes to do this. I was like, what the fuck? The washing and the deep conditioning, it was also a very terrible process. It came down to the point where I'm stupid. I'm not even gonna lie, I'm stupid, because I should have realized this when I did it, but I came down to the point where I, detangled everything with the deep conditioner, and I mean, it came out fine. I let it deep condition overnight, and as you can see, this is what happened. But while I was washing it and like while I was shampooing it and everything, it was kind of getting tangled, like really bad, and I didn't like that. And then when I tried to go through the detangling process with the deep conditioner, the tangles got worse and worse and worse, to the point where I literally had to sit down and section every bit of the hair. Without a mannequin head, mind you. I did this all without a mannequin head. I sectioned off the hair, combed down each section just like you would do with your real natural hair, and then I braided all the sections so that way nothing else would get matted again, and then I just let it sit overnight and deep condition, and these were the results that we came with. I will leave the link in the description box if anybody does want to purchase the wig from Amazon. Like, what else could I say about this wig? If y'all can't tell, this is my first wig video, so I've been looking at wig videos and trying to figure out what I wanted to say, how I wanted to film it. So if this seems really all over the place, I'm so sorry. I'm trying. They do advertise this as like a 1B30 ombre, but in the Amazon pictures, which I probably will include, I don't know, the Amazon picture made this look darker than it actually did. So when I got it initially, I was just like, whoa. Like, even in the clip that I took, it looked damn near the same color as it did in the Amazon picture. It's just in real life, this is what it actually looked like. But the Amazon picture showed the roots as basically black. So there's that. This is 12 inches of hair, by the way. This is a 12-inch wig that they sent me, or that they sent me, that I bought, whatever. I really like it. After having it for a whole week, I really do like it. It is like very easy to just throw on, as you saw, and just snap on the headband and everything. Oh, this is what it looks like. Not sure if I'm in the view for y'all to see it, but this is what the back looks like with the headband on. So you can essentially you can wear this hair up in a ponytail or like a high puff or whatever you want to do. Just be sure to wear like another headband on top of that, because it's not all the way attached all the way around on the headband. Like, I'm not sure if you could see it when I turned around, but it's not attached all the way in the back. So yeah, there's that. I'm not personally gonna put it up in a bun or a high puff because it would be a struggle with the massiveness that this hair looks right now. I would not be able to do it. Let me So yeah, that was really it for this video. I know it was very, very short. I will go ahead and give you guys another spin too of what the hair looks like, so that way y'all can get a really good view. Alrighty, yeah. I know this video was like way short, but I mean, there wasn't much that I could really do or say to make this any longer, and I didn't want this to be a long video anyway. So yeah, if you liked what you saw, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you think. Leave in the comments too, like what other videos you guys want me to make, because I'm literally stuck, y'all. I'm stuck right now. So let me know what you want to see. Go ahead and follow me too on my Instagram, which is linked down below, and go ahead and follow my spam page as well if you want to keep even closer to me, because at this moment I am posting more on my story for my spam page than on my main page. So I'll also have that shown somewhere on the screen, my spam and Instagram name, and they're also at the bottom as well. Thanks, bro. Thank you guys for watching, and I will catch you on the flip side.